So, it's another wonderful Washington day. The snow's kind of melted this morning, but it's still soggy and wet and gross. I only got 3 or 4 hours in of cutting today, but I had this little vise here that I've been kicking around and finally got mounted. So what we did, took some 2-inch square tubing. Oh, look at that. Nice and clear. Oh, that's really weird. Huh. And it's pins in there. So open and close tailgate if you want it. Like so. Pretty cool, huh? And I don't know about the legalities, but probably get away with driving around with that thing back there. Well, you shouldn't. Another thing we did here is some of the garbage out of the way. There's this little chain. Weld it on. Go through each saw handles over the other side where there's a little padlock. I don't stop bolt cutters, but you know, if you got bolt cutters, you're already planning on stealing something anyways. So, you know, bolt cutters cut through cable, they cut through hardened steel. That don't matter. You know, if they wanted to, they can cut the lock. And to be honest, they're dumb enough. That's probably what they will cut, is the lock. So, you know, that's my fun for the day. Got this little vise picked up by the scrap bin from work. Works fine. I mean, it's not massive or anything, but it had a little crack in it. So we welded her up, well, brazed her. And came out more or less flat, so I bolted her down. She didn't crack or anything, so all are good. Anyhow, should be doing. Working on a dump truck, but I don't know if you can tell. Zoom in there real quick. It's pretty much sitting in a mud hole until it dries out a little bit. That's about all I can do. Alright, have a good day.